Hey guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to update a profile name in YouTube Kit using your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to youtubekit.com. On the website, click the profile icon in the top right corner and sign in with your parental passcode. Once you're in, select the child's profile whose name you want to change. Next, click Edit on the profile screen. Inside the Edit view, click the pencil icon beside the current name. Type in the new name you like and press Enter or click Save. Finally, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser. Your updated profile name will now appear. And that's it guys, quick and easy. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.